Hi there traders, it's Brad Gilbert here. Now, once you've got your solid foundations through the Pro Trader course, it's time to expand your knowledge and understanding of the market. Now, what we're talking about is the Advanced Pro Trader course. There's 8 key strategies here that the investment bankers use day in, day out. Now, most of the time we're looking for the key entry levels, the great setups. These 8 key strategies will enable you to really attack the market when these setups are in play. So not only are you looking at the technicals and the fundamentals, you're also thinking of these key strategies that are going to enable you to really leverage the opportunities. Now, if you're really serious about trading and you're looking to get into the Fund Manager program, well, then take the Advanced Pro Trader course. It will not only enhance your skills in trading, you'll find you'll make a lot more money out of those key opportunities, and it will give you the opportunity to enter that Fund Manager program and become a funded trader with T for T. I look forward to helping you out. See you in the trade zone. If you've got any questions, please give me a call or send me an email. I look forward to taking you to the next level. See you there.